Take a ride in the 2019 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.